Hi, I want to show you how we can connect Google Analytics data to our Team-GPT workspace. So first, I want to get information from our website and tell Google Analytics what kind of information I want to get from there. So first, review our website, where to digital, and tell me what important information I can get from GA4. So now Team-GPT will review our website and give us suggestions what kind of information we can get from Google Analytics to analyze here in Team-GPT. So we can see conversion, lead generation metrics, user engagement, content performance. I'm an expert, so I know what I want to get from GA4. So I'll tell Team-GPT I want to get traffic information for the last 30 days compared to the previous 30 days by session source medium, which is like the channels. And I need to get the property ID, which will be sent to Google Analytics. And having this in mind, it's important to have the property ID because Team-GPT doesn't know to which property to go and to get the information. So we need to go to Google Analytics, and here in the URL, we can see that there is a property ID, which is this one after the P. We can get it and paste it here. We can say account ID, and now Team-GPT will call n8n workflow, which connects our data to GA4. And we will get information about the last 30 days compared to the previous 30 days, and the breakdown will be by session source medium. And now we need to wait for Google Analytics to get the information. In the meantime, we will review the n8n workflow. n8n workflow is this AI agent which is connected to a memory and to MCP client, which is connected to MCP server, which has connections to GA4, QuickChart, Gmail for sending emails, Calculator, and Think2. The important thing is about GA4, and we send information from Team-GPT through n8n to GA4, get this information, and then we'll analyze it here in Team-GPT. So we can see that everything's ready and we have success. And here we have a breakdown of our sessions. In the last 30 days, sessions increased by 9%, active user increased by 14%, new users increased, engagement rate decreased, and conversion decreased. So our top channel is Google Organic with around 200 sessions for the last 30 days compared to the previous with 182. And now we have information about this channel, but I want all channels. And now Team-GPT will send again information to G4, and we will get information not only from Google Organic, but from all session source medium channels. And now we need to wait some seconds to get this information and to become the result here in Team-GPT. We can see that we have again success message, and we have data for all channels. And here the data is in JSON format, so we need to have it in a proper way. So we copy this. Please format this text in a readable format. And now Team-GPT will make this information in a readable format. So we have the top traffic sources, Google Organic Direct, Framer, and the biggest winners. So we have more connections from direct conversions, from LinkedIn referral, and so on. And now we can see table with all session source medium with the information for sessions, users, new users, engagement, and conversions, which is very interesting to have everything here in Team-GPT. So now we can continue with the analysis and to gather insights from our Google Analytics.